Today is just a day of hanging out at the house and getting some cleaning done. I've got to clean our bedroom and bathroom. I mopped the living room floor yesterday, and I mopped it on my hands and knees because like I mop it, you know, with a mop like every week, but I try to mop it by hand on my hands and knees at least once a month, and it's been a while since I've done it, and it's amazing how much dirt you can still pick up even after you have mopped it with like a regular mop. So yeah. Mommy's gotta make sure they're cold. Is that yummy? You hungry? Yummy. I am fixing to make some homemade banana bread. It's been a while since I made it, so hopefully it turns out yummy. And I got my little helper down here. I tried to do this once and he wasn't having it, so we're gonna try to do it again. And then if he just doesn't have it again, I'll just wait till nap time. Can you stand up? Tonight for dinner we are having biscuits and gravy and fried potatoes. I'm to the point where I'm running out of ideas to cook. With Brent working so much, I've been cooking more. And which, I mean, I cook when he wasn't working so much anyways, but I didn't cook this much, so I'm kind of like, okay, what can I cook now? You know, like, I've cooked everything, you know, like, I'm running out of ideas, so I thought it'd be fun to do biscuits and gravy. A little different, but it is something different, so we're not eating the same thing all the time. Yep. And I've got my potatoes in the sink, ready to go. They're already sliced to get fried. Daddy's working late tonight, so I haven't started cooking dinner. My hair is a mess. But I went ahead and fed Jacob some of this. That way he'd have a little bit something in his stomach. He's getting a little hungry. Get something in your tummy. Yeah. Yeah, he's already had a bath. He's all ready. You're ready for night-night. Gotta wash your mouth off. But yes, so I guess I'll wait till Brett lets me know he left work before I start cooking. I don't know, I'm not sure what time he'll be home. So last week he had to work late too, and he didn't get home till 8 o'clock. But that was just one night last week, so hopefully it's not till 8 tonight. Well, since Brett had to work so late, he's just bringing food home. It's almost, I don't know, like 7:30, something like that. And there's really no sense of me cooking, because time we get home would be too late, and then, yeah, it'd be too late, and then I'd be doing dishes at like, Lord, 8:30, 9 o'clock, and it's just like, oh, he's just gonna bring some food home, and we'll fix that tomorrow night for dinner. Yeah. Yeah, you ready to see Daddy? Hey, Dada! Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. I didn't vlog anything after Brent got home from work. He got home about 7:30, 8 o'clock, and we ate dinner and played with Jacob, and we just kind of wanted to have some family time, so I didn't vlog any. So the vlog wasn't very long yesterday, so I thought I would go ahead and do the vlog today. When Jacob wakes up from his nap, we are going to go to town. I'm kind of ready to get out. Being cooped up all day yesterday just kind of got me like, oh, I need to get out. So we're going to go to Big Lots again, and then I'm probably going to go to Maurice's. I'm going to try to get everything I can at Big Lots because I kind of want to avoid Walmart today. So we're going to go to Big Lots and Walmart. Not Walmart, gosh, I just said not Walmart. Big Lots and Maurice's, and then, yeah, maybe some other stores. We'll see. Yes, we are back in this aisle. I'll get one in this color. See what else they have. Look at all the cute Easter stuff. Big Lots, by the way. That is so cute. Every bunny is welcome. Cute. I need something for my front door for Easter. I might do something simple like this. Cute. Cute.
Sheriff here, register police.
Now I need to get me some lunch, but I don't know what I want. And I'll probably just go through the drive-thru. That's easier. But Jacob probably won't like that too well. But I don't really know what to get me to eat. I guess I'll decide pretty quick. And I got me some Arby's. It's right next to Big Lots, so easiest. And I hadn't had it for a while. I better eat this before Jacob starts to get really upset that we're sitting. So I put these on, and Jacob is still looking at me like, what's wrong with you, Mom? That's all we got on. Well, we just got done in Maurice's, and I got me a shirt. I ordered a dress online, and I needed a little shirt to go with it, so yeah, that's what I got in there. It's cute. And now we are headed home and probably get Jacob a nap in. Yeah, actually I changed my mind. We are going to go to Dollar Tree. It's been a while since I've been in there, and it's right across the street from Maurice's, so we're gonna go there real quick. I'm so glad I came in here. They have these little straws. No, don't eat it. You can eat it. I wanted for his birthday party, and I've been wanting to get some. I just haven't found any yet. And they're only $1 a piece, or $1 package. And they also here for Ziplocs, but I don't think they have what I want. I got him in successfully in his crib, and he's probably going to get woke up. They're working on our street or whatever, and road in the neighborhood or whatever, and it's very noisy, so I hope they don't wake him up. But anyways, I did want to say that if you are curious why Brent hasn't vlogged any, it's because he's been working a lot. It's not that he doesn't want to vlog, it's just he is very, very busy at his work right now. So that will slow down here in a couple weeks. So, but that's why he hasn't been vlogging. So he will be back to vlogging when things slow down for him. So just want to clarify that. Wait, what? I thought I slept for about 30 minutes before I woke up. Oh. Yeah, I got 30 minutes. Oh. Dude, that's stinky burp. Ooh. You got the little crusties on your nose from running your nose. Yeah. What are you doing? Also go for your wagon. Go for a walk in your wagon. You're sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Is this your wagon? Oh goodness. You don't want to fall. You scare mommy. Yeah, you scare mommy. I'm afraid you're gonna fall. So I was going to show you guys real quick what I did with the bottom part of his thingy I showed in the last vlog. I put his socks in there. And these are like socks he's outgrown that I need to do something with. Or no, not outgrown. No, these are dressy socks. Sorry, these are dressy socks. These are socks, casual socks, and these are his little slippers. My mom got him for Christmas. Then socks that he has outgrown that I need to do something with. And I got rid of ones that really are, you know, can be easily replaced. But these are like special ones and nicer socks that I'll keep. And he has more that I've cleaned out already. So that's what I did with the bottom part of it. And then I did get him some new shoes. I got these right here for summer. I went to Old Navy. They have the cutest little sandals and shoes. So those are for summer. Super cute. So if you need sandals for your child, go look at Old Navy. Jacob, are those your cars? I know how Jacob does it all the time. It hurts my knees.
What are you doing? Happy as he's been in a while.
I know.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
And your teeth finally making a breakthrough?
We'll get you. Oh, there you go. Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. Boom!
Oh, you found the patchy. I don't think you need that right now.
You don't need that. No. What are you doing?